Today I'm going to be making chicharrones en salsa quesatacos. So to start, I'm going to make a salsa. Here I have 4 Roma tomatoes, 2 small jalapeños, and half of a small onion chopped. I'm going to add that to a blender. And you could also substitute the 2 small jalapeños with 1, or if you want extra spicy, add some serrano peppers. I'm also going to add 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to add that right into the blender. And I'm going to season this with 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder and a pinch of salt. You can leave out the bouillon powder and just add extra salt to taste. And now I'm just going to puree this. Now that my salsa has been pureed, I'm going to add it to a preheated pan with oil. I'm going to stir and bring it up to a gentle simmer over a medium-low heat and just let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done, I'm going to add a 6-ounce bag of store-bought chicharrones. Now, you can have this extra saucy and maybe add half of the bag, but I'm going to add this to some quesatacos today, so I sort of want the salsa to just be absorbed and saturate into the pork rinds. So I'm just going to give this a mix, and I'm just going to let this cook and simmer for about 1 minute or so, and then I'll shut off the heat. So to make these quesatacos, I'm going to need cooking oil. Here I have some shredded Asadero cheese. You could use any melty cheese that you prefer. And I have some cold corn tortillas. And now on a preheated griddle, I'm going to add a little bit of my cooking oil. And I do have my griddle on a low heat because I want to give the cold tortillas a chance to warm through, soften, and then once I fill it, it's going to get extra crispy and toasty, and some of the cheese that I add to this is going to form sort of a cheese crust. It's really good. And I'm going to carefully fold this into a quesataco. Another name for these would be quesadillas, but I figure quesatacos are trending, so I'm going to call it quesatacos today. So I'm just going to repeat the process and allow these to cook over a low heat until the exterior is toasty and crispy and the interior is melty and gooey. Once they're done, you can plate them, and sometimes I like to add eggs on top to make it sort of a breakfast, but I'm going to eat as is. They are so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.